For Leah. Alright, let's put this on. Okay. You like the sprinkler? Is it fun? What is it? You like the sprinkler? Is it fun, Leah? What do you like best about the sprinkler?
The best, but pink. I want pink. I don't want blue.
You want pink, you don't want blue?
No, I like pink.
You like pink, right? Whoa.
Wow. I get hot. Oh, look, Dad. Here.
What are you doing? What are you doing there?
Oh, look, Dad. See it? Oh, see it, Dad? I see it.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
You drink the water?
Yes.
You want to put the balls in there?
No.
How come?
Okay. See it?
Ready? We're going to put it up. Okay. Uh-oh.
Oh, Dada. Look. I'm going to pull out.
That's it? Come here, say bye. Wait, come here. One more time. Wait, get closer. Come here, come here, come here. Did you say bye to the camera? You didn't say it.